Get ready. Left speaker. Check. Right speaker. Check. Mic. Check.
If you'll swing the camera around over that way, kind of show them that the area that we're in right now, and there's a lot of birds, there's a lot of wildlife around the water, the lake is all the way around, the sidewalk people walk and run around here for exercise. But we're going to be heading over to the other side. Hi, and welcome to the Video Beat channel. My name is Jeff, and with me today is my son Brady, who's on the camera. And today we're at the Port Orange City Center, kind of giving you a behind-the-scenes look at some of the videos we're going to be shooting in the near future. Brady, if you'll swing the camera around over that way, kind of show them that the area that we're in right now, and there's a lot of birds, there's a lot of wildlife around the waters, the lake goes all the way around, there's sidewalks, people walk and people run around here for exercise. But we're going to be heading over to the amphitheater on the other side of the park, and we're going to give you some video footage over there. So we're going to take off. We'll see you then. Bye.